Now, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission now wants Parliament to provide timelines for the courts to dispense with cases challenging the impeachment of county governors. Appearing before the Senate Legal Affairs Committee over the county government state officers' removal from offices procedure bill, the Electoral Agency proposed that the courts be given at most 6 months to dispense with impeachment motions. The Council of Governors, however, wants impeachment motions only to be introduced 2 years after governors assume office.
A fortnight ago, the Senate upheld the impeachment of Meru County Governor Kawira Mwangaza, a decision that was later stayed by the High Court, awaiting determination. The Senate is now considering the county government's state officers' removal from office procedure bill, which will provide timelines for courts to dispense with cases challenging the impeachment of county governors. Submitting before the Senate Legal Affairs Committee, IEBC proposed the courts be given at most 6 months to dispense with the impeachment motions.
When it comes to impeachment and dispute resolution, timelines, there ought to be an end in litigation. What we might want to do or consider is to provide a timeline for which the courts have to hear an impeachment dispute, because it's not in law. It's not in the County Governments Act. It's not in the Elections Act. It's nowhere.
I think this is a welcomed proposal which we must consider, so that if it is an impeachment dispute that has been taken to court, whether to challenge the decision of the County Assembly or the Senate, then it must be resolved within certain timelines.
The bill, sponsored by Kiambu Senator Karongo Thangwa, seeks to protect governors from being impeached within 6 months after assumption of office. The Council of Governors, however, wants impeachment motions only to be introduced 2 years after governors assume office to ensure stability in devolved units, a proposal that IEBC endorsed.
We need to tie the timelines, because if a member of parliament and a county assembly are being recalled within a particular time, then maybe there is a reason why the ones for governor and the president have this timeline of 6 months.
The council also proposed 1 year gap from the previous impeachment to allow the governors to correct shortcomings raised during the previous impeachment. Geshoke Washira, Prime Edition.